Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorials. Today we are going to continue on with our Christmas daily journal, and today we are doing the letters to Santa. And please forgive me if I sound a little bit scratchy and stuffed up. I'm still a little bit sick, but since this video is so short and easy, I figured I would go ahead and talk you through it. So to get started, I already have all of the materials laid out here. A lot of these pieces came from my Letters to Santa video, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that out. But like most of them are very simple, just like pieces taped on top of brown craft paper or just cut out from the kits, or like stacked together like this piece here is just a bunch of the Christmas traditions things stacked together and then put together with a paper clip. And then like this piece is the same one we made in our Peppermint Pages video, so go ahead and check that out if you're curious. This one I just added a couple of brads to the corners, nothing too crazy today, just keeping it real basic. And then if you haven't already, I just released the lace envelopes video, so if you want to know how to make these, go ahead and check that out as well. So to get started, we're just going to tuck a couple of pieces into the brown envelope, including that letter to Santa and the couple of cards. And then I'm just going to add some tape to the envelope flap and tape it down to this page so that it folds out. I believe we did this in the peppermint video as well. And then just going ahead and layering a couple of letters up by taping them down to the page. And then I'm grabbing these Christmas stamps and I'm just sort of placing them around the page. I think I changed this up a little bit later, but this is pretty much where they'll end up. And then taking a little bit of our distress ink, I'm going to be distressing the number for today. And then taking this little bundle of traditional Christmas scraps, I'm just going to slide this onto the page, and you'll have to remove this to decorate the following page if you haven't put them in the order, like if they're back to back like this. So I do remove this when I decorate the Christmas crafting page and then reattach it later, but it's pretty simple to remove. So anyway, just gonna go ahead and rearrange a little bit and glue everything down. Alright, so that should finish up our tutorial today for our Letters to Santa page. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next Christmas daily video. Bye!